Hello, welcome back. Patriot Contraptions here. Today we're dealing with this anti-siphon valve problem. So as you can see, I turn on my faucet and all the water is coming out of the top. So you need to take apart this anti-siphon and get it fixed. I'm going to turn the water off here and go get a small screwdriver. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to take the screwdriver and I'm going to wedge up under the cap and just try to pop it off a little bit. So after working very carefully around it and just kind of prying up and off, I have removed the actual top of it, and we can see in here there appears to be a little plunger gimmick. So let's turn on the valve and we'll see if we get any water out of it. Whoa, yep, definitely get water out of there, just shooting right out. And I can see there's fragments of what appears to be a seal. So I'm going to take this apart. And here you can see that little anti-siphon valve and the plunger that goes into it. So what I think happened on mine is the plunger just got folded up and was sticking through the top because it's a brand new faucet. Oh, you can also see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back together. This is pretty good. Slide that back in there. And you can see how now completely covers the inside. It's not sticking up anywhere. Okay, and we'll test it. And we have a nice seal now. Good to go. One last step, we're just going to take this top. Actually, you can see down in there, the seal is now seating fully. No issues. So the seal's now seating fully, and I can put the top on. Just pops right on. That. Mission complete. Okay, we've got the repair done. We're going to crank this out and no leaks. So as you can see, problem's fixed. Very simple repair. They also sell kits for this. If your O-rings are damaged or anything, you can go and get one of those. But anyway, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. As always, Patriot Contraptions, hoping you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next episode.